Hello guys, how to fix bad pull header error on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error, then here are the fixes, and the first and initial workaround is restart your system. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve various major type of issues of your Windows related. So you must restart your service and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, and the next one is right click on a start button, or you may type in CP in Windows search and open control panel in your system. Here go to program and features, click on it, and here look for recently installed apps or programs in your system that having trouble and may be a cause of bad pull header error. So simply select it and uninstall it. After check error is resolved or not, after your error is resolved, then reinstall that app. The next workaround to fix this issue is go to Windows settings by pressing Win plus I shortcut key and install Windows latest update. From the left side, click on Windows Update, and from the right side, click on check for updates, and if any update available, simply download and install it in your system. Sometimes outdated OS may be a cause of bad pull header error in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Outdated driver may be a cause of such error, so open device manager in your system and look for corrupted device driver having yellow exclamation mark against driver. Look for that type of device driver and expand it and right click on it and choose update driver. Search automatically for driver, click on it and let the window complete the updating process of your outdated driver. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes and go to Windows search and type Windows Memory Diagnostic and open Windows Memory Diagnostic app. Click on open and here check your computer for memory problems. Memory problems can cause your computer to lose information or stop working, so restart now and check for problems. Click on it and after that restart your system.